Okay, volume formulas. So let's take a look at this tutorial real quick. We have cylinders. Volume equals pi times r squared times height. R squared is radius squared. As you see, there's two cylinders on this castle. Okay, so let's take a look at this website. We have how to find the volume of a cylinder. Here we go. So it shows us a picture right here, and we have the height is 14, radius is 12, and radius is right here, always starts from the center of the circle. And the volume is pi r squared times the height. So that would be pi times 12 squared times 14. And that would get you your correct answer. And we'll skip these questions. We'll let you answer these on your own now that you know the formula for finding a cylinder. And now we have the cone. So the cone volume is 1/3 times pi times radius squared times the height. Okay, so let's go right here. And let's go back to our cone. So here's our cone. We have 14 as our height, and then we have 12 as our radius. So then how do we plug it in? It's 1/3 times pi times 12 squared times 14. And then that is how we'd find the volume of a cone. So let's skip these questions again. We'll let you answer it on your own now that you know how to figure out the volume. And pyramids. 1/3 times the base area times the height. Okay. So let's go to the next part. And let's go back to the slide because let's look at this formula. I like this one right here. This shows us just like a chart of us to fill out. And then it shows the formula 1/3 times the base area times the height. Okay. Here's a couple examples. Now the volume of a sphere. Let's take a look at this. Volume of a sphere. And it's 4/3 times pi times the radius to the third power, or cube. And here's how you would figure this out, how you would calculate it out. Okay. And like I said, we'll skip these questions, let you figure this out. And here's just another example looking at the volume. This one's pretty easy, just our rectangle. And it's a three-dimensional rectangle. So it would be kind of the same. You do length times width times height. Pretty self-explanatory. You've done those before, so those are pretty easy. Again, we'll let you answer these questions on your own too. And let's skip to this one. And there you have it. There is a brief overview of the volume formulas. And you should look at the other links that I have of that breaks the volume formulas down just a little bit more. They're just quick lessons to show you what they are. And there you have it. Enjoy.